Good day, everyone. Today we will be doing another picoCTF challenge. This one is called Even RSA Can Be Broken with 3 question marks. It reads, this service provides you an encrypted flag. Can you decrypt it with just N and E? Interesting. Additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So let's launch this. The hints are, how much do we trust randomness? Notice anything interesting about N, and try comparing N across multiple requests. So firstly, we have this netcat command, which we will promptly copy. And I've already made a directory for this, and we will paste that in here. And we get this N, E, and ciphertext, which we will just name C. So this is obviously RSA, like in the title. So we have this RSA decoder, and we will simply copy this from the ciphertext. You copy this, paste it in here. The public key is just normal. And then for the private key, we will be using this N. Copy that, paste that in there, run and decrypt. And we have found our flag.